Managing rental properties can be a time-consuming and stressful task for landlords and property managers. But what if there was a way to simplify and streamline the process, allowing you to focus on growing your rental property business? Well, thanks to residential property management software, you can do just that. Welcome back, Loopers. I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we're diving into the 10 best residential property management software. These tools are game changers for landlords and property managers, making managing rental properties a breeze. As a disclaimer, I work for DoorLoop, and this video is produced by DoorLoop. Residential property management software is designed to streamline tasks like accounting, tenant screening, rent collection, and maintenance requests specifically for residential living spaces. It's perfect for big companies or landlords with just a few units. The benefits of using residential property management software are endless, from automated financial management to cost savings to enhanced efficiency to an improved tenant experience. Key features include accounting tools, tenant and owner portals, and marketing tools. With these tools, you can save time, money, and grow your business effortlessly. Now, here's a question. Can you use QuickBooks as your residential property management software? While QuickBooks is a viable option for basic accounting needs, it lacks specialized features crucial for managing rental properties effectively. QuickBooks cannot fulfill needs like tenant-specific classification, separate payments, and separate accounts. Property management software offers a more comprehensive and tailored solution. Choosing the best property management software can be tricky, but don't worry, we've broken it down into key factors. Cost. Make sure it fits your budget. Scalability. Can it grow with your portfolio? Key features. Look for tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance management, and more. Integration capabilities. Make sure it works seamlessly with other services. Data protection. Security is paramount, so choose one that safeguards your data. Interface. Even your 80-year-old grandpa should be able to figure it out. Mobile accessibility. Management on the go is essential. Customer support and training. Great support can make all the difference. Customer reviews. Consider others' experiences for insights. Now, let's take a closer look at the top 10 software. First up is DoorLoop. Designed with modern integrations in mind, it's intuitive, accessible, and starts at just $49 a month. Entrada, a cloud-based solution with a wealth of tenant and maintenance tools. Contact their salespeople for pricing details. Rent Ready, user-friendly and budget-friendly at $19.95 a month, it offers an array of features. Simplify, geared more towards accounting, it starts at $35 per month for up to 10 units. Avail offers a 100% free plan or a paid plan for $7 per unit per month. Great for those on a budget. Yardy Breeze. It's praised for its intuitive interface, starting at $1 per unit per month, though the minimum fee starts at $100 per month. Inago, known for its ease of use and mostly free option. Great for starters. Appfolio. Robust and easy to use, starting at $1.40 per unit per month with a minimum of 50 units and a minimum monthly fee of $280. Tenant Cloud. Affordable and cloud-based, starting at $15 per month for its basic plan. Rent Manager. Intended for more advanced users with robust features. Pricing is available upon request. So, what's the best property management software? It's the one that fits your needs and helps you grow. Now, we feel that DoorLoop, founded by property managers who wanted to make management easier, offers a comprehensive all-in-one solution that could be the perfect match for you. DoorLoop's features include a comprehensive accounting suite, in-app communication options, easy work order management, tenant and owner portals, screening and marketing tools, and much more. Ready to take a closer look? Schedule your free demo today and discover everything that DoorLoop has to offer. Click on the link in the description below. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with the link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.